We are halfway through the last Marvel standings, but this time we're back for the showdown. Here, the narrow race is back. Better find out who will win and who will lose. The narrow race, you know how it works. You know how it plays. Don't be a rookie. We are here to stay. You see the standings. Honeybees on the return after retirement, they are on top. And you can see some of the newcomers down there. Circus clowns, not good. Again, they will not be sending the reserve in today. They're sending in Circus, the captain. There's also Cosmo, Banana, and Knight. So, lots of captains here. Which one of them will advance? Asteroids is in front. Oh, the asteroids fall off the course just then. And no, they did not okay. We heard that they were able just to survive, so they will advance. Lavender, the captain of Lavenders. Sour from Sweet and Sours. Queen from the Honeybees who competed last event. And Sky from the captain of Summer Skies. Lavenders are in front. And Summer Skies will advance. Lavenders will obviously take second. I don't expect many finishes on the course today. And now we got Gallop, Skeleton, Vine, and Nova. Who advance here? It'll be the Skeletons and the Swinging Vines advancing out of this heat. Swinging Vines, they need that. Not doing good so far. Rojo Uno, Growl, Ice Core, a newcomer, and Boil, the captain of Boilers. Who advance here? And it'll be the Boilers and Ice Chippers advancing out of that one. Good to see. Now, we got Vine, Sky, Ice Core, and Lavender. Who advances to the final? Summer Skies are in front. And that's who's going to advance. And the Swinging Vines will advance as well. So two newcomers in the final of the second event. All we need now is Boyle and Cosmo. Can any of them advance? Or would it be Bananas? Oh no! It is the Boilers. The Boilers have advanced. And so have the Asteroids. They're 4 newcomers. I'm in the final. Can you believe it? Here we go. Boyle, Sky, Cosmo, and Vine. Look at the gold. Boilers are in front. And it continues to be the Boilers. They will capture the gold. Here, today, the Boilers are on top for Sky and Vine. And well done to the newcomers here. And we're about to see for the next event. When that comes around, we will see you then. See you for the Bash Clash.